Hi, I'm Nikki Jabor, and if you think the growing season is winding down just because August has arrived, think again. August and even into September is one of the best times to plant vegetables for a fresh fall harvest. The warm soil helps seeds germinate quickly, while the cooler days ahead create ideal growing conditions for many crops. Here are some of the best vegetables to plant right now. First, sow leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, arugula, kale, and Swiss chard. These crops love the cooling temperatures of late summer and early autumn and can persist in the garden well into late fall. If you have space, sow more seeds every 2 to 3 weeks for the longest quality harvest. Next, plant fast growing root veggies. Radishes are ready in as little as 3 to 4 weeks, while turnips and baby beets also mature quickly before the cold weather arrives, usually in 45 to 55 days. Carrots can still be planted in many regions too, especially if you choose shorter or quick maturing varieties. I sow my autumn and winter carrot crop in my Zone 6 garden the first week of August. Don't forget Asian greens like bok choy, mizuna, and tatsoi. They thrive in cooler temperatures, grow very fast, are delicious, and are perfect for salads and stir fries. You can also sow seeds for cilantro, a cool season herb that doesn't grow well in the heat of summer, but thrives when the temperatures begin to cool. When grown in late summer and fall, cilantro plants are much slower to bolt, so you can enjoy that delicious harvest for as long as possible. One important tip, be sure to keep newly planted seed beds consistently moist. The hot August sun can dry out seed beds so quickly, and you want to keep the soil damp until the seedlings sprout and are growing well. Adding a light layer of organic mulch like straw or shredded leaves around your newly emerged seedlings is a great way to conserve soil moisture and also keep the soil cooler. And remember, your first fall frost date is your guide. Count backwards using the days to maturity listed on your seed packets, and you'll know exactly what you still have time to grow. If you've got empty spots in your vegetable garden, don't leave that soil bare. Fill them with seeds and seedlings for cool season vegetables, and you'll be harvesting well into autumn. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more veggie gardening tips, and let me know in the comments, what are you planting in your August garden this year?